Welcome to the College of Idaho, where opportunity meets ambition. Here, you're not just a student, you're a scholar, you're an athlete, an artist, and a leader. At the College of Idaho, you can do more with 4 classes per term, 4 days a week, and graduate in 4 years with both a bachelor's and a master's degree. You can achieve more through hands-on experiences and a close faculty mentorship. You can be more as you grow into the best version of yourself. Let's take a look around and discover what makes College of Idaho unlike any other school. Of course, College of Idaho is distinctive in all the usual ways, including not least the achievements of our alumni. We have had our Academy Award winner, our Pulitzer Prize winner. We have remarkable athletes who have graduated from the college and played in professional sports. Top school for graduation, top school for employment after graduation. We've also been named the top school in the country and all of the United States for social mobility. But more importantly than those landmark historic events is the quality of the students who attend. Our students come to us from all over the world. These are many of the best minds of a generation coming together to study in this place. Here, you're not just choosing a college, you're choosing a community that will challenge you, support you, and shape who ultimately you become. We hope that you find your way into this community where we don't want you just to fit in, but we want you to stand out. Come and make this place your own. Bring to it your unique experiences, your background. Certainly, we expect it to change by virtue of your membership, and we hope that you are transformed by virtue of that same membership. We cannot wait to welcome you to campus because your story starts here.